Hello children. In the last video we have discussed Mendelian disorders like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, phenylketonuria. Today we are going to discuss thalassemia. Thalassemia is a quantitative blood disorder in which the amount of alpha and beta chains of hemoglobin synthesized are less than the normal. So it is a quantitative disorder, blood disorder, whereas sickle cell anemia is a qualitative blood disorder in which the quality of beta chain is altered or changed. So sickle cell anemia is a qualitative recessive autosomal disorder and thalassemia is quantitative blood disorder. It is also a quantitative recessive autosomal disease. Thalassemia is of two types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. See children, hemoglobin has two types of chain, alpha and beta chain. If the synthesis of alpha chain is less, then it is known as alpha thalassemia, and if the synthesis of beta chain is less, then it is known as beta thalassemia. Synthesis of alpha chain of hemoglobin is controlled by two genes which are closely linked gene present on chromosome 16. And these genes are HBA1 and HBA2. Synthesis of beta chain is controlled by HBB gene which is located on chromosome 11. So alpha thalassemia is caused due to mutation in any of these four alleles, HBA1, HBA2 and HBA2. So alpha thalassemia is caused due to when alpha thalassemia is caused when alpha chains of hemoglobin are formed in less number. Synthesis of alpha chains is controlled by two closely linked genes on chromosome 16. Those genes are HBA1 and HBA2. Disease is due to mutation or deletion on one or more than one allele out of four. Beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia, in this beta chains of hemoglobin are formed in less number. Synthesis of beta chains is controlled by a single gene on chromosome number 11. Disease is due to mutation of one or both the genes. Next is types of beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia is of two types, beta thalassemia minor and beta thalassemia major. Beta thalassemia minor is due to heterozygous condition of gene HBB. When it is in heterozygous condition, then it is known as beta thalassemia minor. But beta thalassemia major, in this homozygous recessive condition of gene HBB is present. So if homozygous condition of HBB gene is there, then beta thalassemia major will be there, and if it is heterozygous, then beta thalassemia minor. In nature, beta thalassemia is more common than alpha thalassemia. Next, we will discuss chromosomal disorders. See children, up till now we have discussed Mendelian disorder, that is which are linked to mutation in gene. When there is change in chromosome number, then it is known as chromosomal disorder. And it is also known as aneuploidy. It is also known as aneuploidy when there is change in chromosome number. In this chromosomal disorder, first disease is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. In this, the genotype of the patient is AA plus XXY. AA means autosomes. 22 pairs of autosomes plus sex chromosome are XXY. Instead of 2 sex chromosomes, there are 3. Due to the presence of Y chromosome, the patient will be male but with female characters. Klinefelter syndrome, the genotype is AA plus XXY. Due to the presence of this Y chromosome, the patient will be male but it will be having female characters. So in Klinefelter syndrome, due to aneuploidy, instead of 46 chromosomes, there are 47 chromosomes. One X chromosome is extra. So sterile male will be formed. He will be tall and some female characters will be present. For example, gynecomastia. Sometimes mental disorder can appear. There is trisomy of sex chromosome. Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, there is the condition 44 plus X0 means one sex chromosome is less. There are 45 chromosomes instead of 46 chromosomes. So in Turner syndrome, 44 autosomes and one sex chromosome. There is monosomy of one sex chromosome means sex chromosome is one only. Total 45 chromosomes are there. One X chromosome is deficient or absent. So in X0 condition, the patient will be female but it will be sterile. So sterile female will be formed. Ovaries will be rudimentary, that is non-functional. Secondary sexual characters absent. Webbed neck. Sometimes mental retardation will be there. Next is Down's syndrome. Down's syndrome occurs due to trisomy of 21st chromosome. Means 21st chromosome comes 3 times instead of 2. So it occurs due to trisomy of 21st chromosome. Down syndrome was first discovered by or first described by Langdon Down. Therefore, it is known as Down's syndrome. In this also there are total number of chromosome are 47 due to trisomy of 21st chromosome, that is autosome. The patient will be short statured. He will be having a small round head. Back of head and face is flat, partially open mouth, furrowed tongue, broad palm. Characteristic palm crease will be there. Multiple folds on fingertips. More prone to heart diseases. Physical, mental and psychomotor development is retarded. Physical, mental and psychomotor development is retarded. The patient can be fertile or sterile. Mostly they are sterile. Pedigree analysis. Next is pedigree analysis. In pedigree analysis, we study the transmission of character from one generation to another generation. Generally, it is used in genetic counseling. So, if a person is having a particular genetic disease, the chances of he or she can know the chances of its transmission to the next generation by pedigree analysis. In pedigree analysis, we use some symbols. For example, circle is used for female, square is used for male. The circle or a square with a dot, cross or lines means carrier. The female is carrier of the particular character. So female carrier for sex-linked character. If this symbol is drawn, then it is sex is unspecified. If full circle or full square is drawn, then affected individual. Single line between female and male, then it shows mating. Double line shows mating between close relatives. This type of symbol shows twins. So these type of symbol shows twins. This symbol shows non-identical twin because one is male and one is female. This is female and this is male. So this is one of the pedigree given. Given pedigree is showing inheritance of autosomal gene. Gene is autosomal. Find out the genotype of individual. See, all the offsprings are affected with the disease or the character which is present in the father comes in all the offsprings. Therefore, the gene is autosomal, is present on the autosomes and it is a dominant one. Therefore, it is occurring in all the progeny. So, in given pedigree, character under study is due to dominant gene. Example of this dominant gene characteristic is myotonic dystrophy, which we have discussed earlier also in the last video. Now consider this pedigree. In this, none of the offspring is affected, but female is the affected one. So this must be a autosomal disease and recessive one, because father is homozygous dominant and all the progeny will be having heterozygous genotype. So none will be having the disease. So this disease must be recessive one, homozygous recessive one. So in this way, you can trace out any inheritance of any particular character using the pedigree. Children, you should try doing as many as pedigrees as you can. Thank you. With this, we finish with this chapter, principles of heredity and variation. Thank you, children.